Christopher Mueller writes, how do you see the PWC market 10 years from now? Well, it's going to evolve. I do not see internal combustion engines going away. I think the backlash on the world state of cobalt mining, if you guys have been paying attention to that, that has exploded in the whole PR world. That has gone really, really bad. The Congo has 15,000 teenage boys in flip-flops digging out radioactive cobalt with their bare hands. And people are going, oh, that's what's powering my Tesla? You okay? Don't get me wrong. The progressives are going to push and push and push and push and push to kill internal combustion. And you're going to see a lot of companies be forced with ESG scores to be a little bit more environmentally friendly. And so they're going to start wanting to do electric or hybrid or going to get rid of supercharger or be more efficient. You'll see some changes happen. I think it'll be a lot thinner. I think you'll probably see very few performance watercraft. I think you're going to see more of the Explorer Pro. You're going to see bigger, fatter, heavier, slower, drier, cushier skis. Because ultimately we're marching towards our future of being the fat man babies from Up. Not Up. Wall-E. It was Wall-E. You remember Wall-E, where all the people were big fat babies in onesies and like floating chairs, and they drank pizza in a cup through a straw? That's our future. And everyone's like, no, Kevin, no. And I go, would you like to see the questions and all of the comments from all the people who are like, I don't want to ever get wet, and I don't want to have my hair messed up, and I like the Explorer Pro because it's so stable, and I'll never get wet, and I won't get cold, and I'll just get to sit on a big cushy seat and go putt, 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 putt. All right? The future is the Explorer Pro. Because people are going to continue to march towards, I want the computer screen to do things for me. I don't want to have to steer. Can it just steer by itself? You go, okay. And that's the way it's going to go. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.